It's too close to call in this huge game. We've kicked off the match, but who will come away victorious? And it's back to the keeper. Keeper plays it short there. Cabrera. Oh, this is good stuff. Back towards the centre. That's nicely played. This is good stuff. Oh, it's been intercepted. Sosa. Dominating the play now. Kojovic. What a well-timed tackle. He must score, surely. And he shoots. He's opened the scoring. Good work there to get on the score sheet. The manager will hope that form continues. So we're back underway. I wonder how that goal's going to affect this game. Kojovic, Nazari. Really well played. That's nicely played. Shoots. It's there. Equaliser. Oh, he'll be pleased with that effort. It'll do his confidence the world of good. The next goal will decide the game. It's too close to call. This explorer is always on the move. Well, there was a foul, but the referee is allowing play to continue here. This is good stuff. This player really wants to improve. He's read that one absolutely perfectly. He's become a solid player. Is this the moment? Saved by Taylor. Oh, he must score. Great goal. What a way to win the game. And the referee calls a halt to this thrilling game. They'll be delighted with the result.